Hello, today I will guide you on how to create a table of contents in a PDF using Microsoft Word and LibreOffice. Method 1, using Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word, go to the File menu, choose Open, then select your PDF file. Word will try to convert it. If prompted, click OK to confirm conversion. Click on the View tab, then choose Navigation pane to see if headings were detected. If not, manually select each heading and apply heading 1, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. Insert a page break at the top of the document to make space for the table of contents. Place the cursor at the top of the document, then go to the References tab, click Table of Contents, and choose a style. Click on the File tab, choose Export, then click Create Adobe PDF and save the file. Done. You now have a PDF with a working table of contents. Method 2, using LibreOffice. If Word doesn't convert the PDF well, try LibreOffice, a free and open source office suite. Download and install the LibreOffice suite from the official website. It's free and works on most operating systems. First, try to open the PDF using LibreOffice Writer. Go to File, Open, select your PDF file. Writer may convert it into a text-based document. If the formatting looks good, use the same steps as in Microsoft Word to add headings and insert a table of contents. If conversion fails or formatting breaks, open the file using LibreOffice Draw instead. This tool keeps the original layout but requires manual input. In LibreOffice Draw, right-click in the Pages panel on the left and select New Page. Move the new page to the beginning. Click Insert, select Text Box, and draw a box where you want to place the table of contents. Then manually type the section names and page numbers. When you have finished, go to the File menu, select Export, choose PDF as the file type, and save the document. That sets it. Now you know two different ways to add a table of contents to a PDF, either by converting it to an editable Word document or using LibreOffice tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.